Hi, my name is Bianca. If you're looking for a challenge, this 30-minute flow is exactly what you're looking for. Let's get started in a child's pose. Bring your knees nice and wide with your big toes to touch behind you. Reach your arms forward, sink those hips all the way back, forehead to the mat. Let's settle in here for a moment. Take a breath in through your nose, fill all the way up, let your belly expand. Exhale out the mouth. Take a big breath in. Exhale it out. Last one, just like that. Breathe in. Breathe out. Your next inhale brings you to all fours into a tabletop position. And from here, we'll move into some cat-cow poses together. Breathe in, cow pose. Bring your gaze up, roll the tailbone up. Exhale, cat. Draw the belly button into the spine, roll the tailbone down, chin to chest. Inhale, cow pose. Exhale, cat. Inhale, cow pose. Exhale, cat. Inhale, cow pose. Last one. Exhale, cat. Come back to the neutral spine. And from here, again, draw the belly button in towards the spine, engaging the core, the deep core. But I want you to still breathe here. Extend your right leg behind you, toes stay on the mat. If you find yourself swaying to the left side, hug everything towards your midline, engaging the core to stay centered. And let's add on here. Don't let the core turn off. Lift that right leg up, parallel to the mat. Keep breathing. Then push through your heel, toes point down towards the mat. Without letting your upper body move or sway, lift that left hand forward. Breathe in. Exhale, round the spine, knee to elbow. Inhale, extend, find your balance. Exhale, knee to elbow. Maybe you're already shaking here. Inhale, extend, last one. Exhale together. Back to the tabletop position. You can relax your stomach here, your core muscles for a moment. Sway side to side. And let's set that up for the other side. Neutral spine, engage the core without letting the body sway. Extend the left leg behind you. We start with toes on the mat. So if you find that lower back, that pelvis tilting here, arch in the lower back, find that neutral pelvis. Keeping the spine nice and flat, engage the core. Breathe. Exhale, lift that left leg up. Again, punching back through that heel, toes flex back towards the mat. Then slowly reach that arm, right arm forward. Find your balance, breathe in. Exhale, knee to elbow. Inhale, extend. Exhale, knee to elbow. One more, inhale, extend. Exhale together. Come back to that tabletop position. Spread the fingers wide, tuck the toes, take a breath in. Exhale, draw the belly button in. All the way, can you go a little bit more? Breathe in and out. Next, inhale, keep the core engaged. Press the fingers into the mat, lift the knees just an inch off the mat. Try not to round that lower back here. Keep breathing. One more inhale. Exhale into a downward facing dog. Start by pedaling out the legs. Bending one and then the other. Come to stillness in that downward facing dog. Walk your feet towards your hands, forward fold. Breathe in, halfway lift. Exhale, fold. Inhale, mountain pose. Sweep the arms up. Exhale, hands to heart. Inhale, mountain pose. Exhale, forward fold. Breathe in, halfway lift. Exhale, hands to the mat. Step back into your plank position. We'll take our first chaturanga here. Shift forward. You're welcome to take it from the knees. Exhale, low plank. Bend the arms 90 degrees. Inhale, upward facing dog. Knees lift off the mat. Lift the chest up. Exhale, downward facing dog. Take a breath in and out. Another big breath in. Exhale it out. Breathe in, gaze towards your hands. Exhale, step to the top, forward fold. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, fold. Inhale, mountain pose, arms come up. Exhale, hands to heart. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, forward fold. Breathe in, halfway lift. Exhale, hands to the mat. Step or jump back. Take your high to low plank, chaturanga, however you want to get there, into your downward facing dog. Nice. Take a big breath in and out. We'll do that one more time through. Breathe in, gaze forward. Exhale, step or jump to the top, forward fold. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, fold. Inhale, mountain pose. Exhale, hands to heart. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, fold. Breathe in, halfway lift. Exhale, hands to the mat, step back, flow through. And we'll take 3 breaths here at your own pace. One more breath in and out. Inhale your right leg high. On the exhale, step that foot right in between the hands. Inhale, crescent lunge, sweep the arms up. Sink into that right knee. Lift that back heel up all the way. Keep breathing. Pull that right hip crease back. Settle in, breathe. Exhale, airplane the arms. Sweep the arms back, lean forward. Inhale the arms up. Exhale the arms back. Nice. Inhale the arms up. Last one. Exhale the arms back. Inhale back up to your crescent lunge. Exhale, warrior 2. Pivot that back foot, right knee still bent. Arms reach out in opposite directions. Breathe. Inhale, reverse your warrior. Legs stay exactly the same. Lean back, right arm up. Another breath in. Exhale, extended side angle. Take any arm variation here. I like to just rest my right arm on my bent knee and reach that left arm up and over. Take a breath in. Exhale, gaze down. Low lunge. Pivot that back foot, hands on the mat. From here, left arm stays on the mat, right arm reaches up, low lunge twist. One more breath in. Exhale, hands to the mat, step back, flow through. And meet in that downward facing dog. Already getting sweaty here. Take a breath in and out. Inhale, the left leg lifts. Exhale, low lunge. Get that foot right in between the hands. Lift the arms up when you're ready. Into your crescent lunge. Breathe. Lift that back heel up nice and high. Inhale. Exhale, airplane the arms. Lean forward, squeeze the pinkies behind you. Inhale, arms up. Exhale them back. Inhale, arms up. Exhale them back. Last one. Inhale up. Exhale them back. Inhale, crescent lunge. Exhale, warrior 2. Left knee stays bent. Pivot that back foot. You can always adjust the feet once you get there. They're not permanent. They're not stuck in concrete here. If they don't feel like they're exactly in the right position, rearrange as needed so that left knee points directly over the toes. Inhale, reverse the warrior. Legs stay exactly the same. Keep breathing here. Sink a little deeper into that leg. Another breath in. Exhale, extended side angle. Keep breathing. Another inhale. On the exhale, gaze down, low lunge, hands to the mat, pivot that back heel off the mat. Left arm lifts up, low lunge twist. Hold here for a moment. Take another breath in. And on the exhale, hands to the mat, step back, flow through. All right, let's get to the balancing stuff. You're probably wondering where that's at. Let's get into it here. Take a breath in. Exhale it out. Inhale, right leg lifts. Exhale, low lunge. Step that foot in between. Sweep the arms up, crescent lunge. Exhale, airplane the arms. Inhale the arms up. Exhale the arms back. Listen for the change. Inhale the arms up. Exhale the arms back. We'll hold it here and turn this into an airplane pose. Shift your weight into your right leg. Left leg lifts off the mat. So that left leg, your chest, your arms are parallel to the mat with your gaze down, keeping the neck long. Breathe. Can you squeeze the pinkies closer together behind you, palms face the mat? Maybe that right leg is shaking here. Keep breathing. One more inhale. Exhale, land back in that low flying crescent. Inhale the arms up. Exhale, warrior two. Breathe in, reverse your warrior. Exhale, extended side angle. Take a breath in. Exhale, low lunge twist. Inhale. Exhale, hands to the mat, flow through. Really nice work so far. Let's set up that other side. Breathe in and out. Inhale, left leg lifts. Exhale, low lunge. Inhale, crescent lunge. Exhale, airplane the arms. Inhale the arms up. Exhale the arms back. Inhale the arms up. This time we hold it. Exhale the arms back. Turn this into that airplane pose. When you're ready, shift your weight into that left leg. Right leg lifts off the mat. Find your balance. If that right hip is opening up, drop that hip so that your thigh, your kneecaps point to the ground. Your chest points to the ground. Keep breathing. One more breath in. Exhale, low flying crescent. Land softly, rebend that knee. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, warrior two. Breathe in, reverse your warrior. Exhale, extended side angle. Inhale. Exhale, low lunge twist. Pivot that back foot. Left arm reaches up. Breathe in. Exhale, hands to the mat, step back. Flow through. Take an inhale and an exhale. Another breath in and out. We're gonna add on here, lift that right leg high. Exhale, low lunge. Nice, inhale, crescent lunge. Exhale, airplane the arms, breathe. Inhale the arms up. Exhale the arms back. One more, inhale the arms up. Exhale the arms back. This time we'll hold the arms up, breathe in, and on the exhale, we'll come into warrior three, similar to airplane pose, but we keep the arms overhead. Lift that left leg up and breathe here. Keep breathing. From here, we'll turn this into a revolved half moon, keeping that right arm up. Left hand reaches down to the mat. Right arm lifts, a twist in the upper body. Left leg stays lifted. Maybe you experiment with the fingertips lifting off the mat here, turning into that balance challenge. Keep breathing. Turn this into standing splits. Both hands are on the mat now. Big breath in and out. Keep that left leg lifted. One more breath in and step the feet together, forward fold. Let's grab behind the ankles, pull that chest in. So through these balancing poses, we're working on strengthening the legs, the glutes. The legs work really hard to keep us balanced, so you might feel the glutes turning on here. Keep breathing. Keep pulling that chest a little bit closer. One more inhale. And exhale, bring the fingers to the mat, forward fold. Inhale, mountain pose. Exhale, out of back bend here. Cactus the arms, lift the heart up. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, fold. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, hands to the mat, step back, flow through. Once you're in that downward facing dog, let's sit up the other side. Left leg lifts. Exhale, low lunge. Inhale, crescent lunge. Exhale, airplane the arms. 3 times. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, back. Last one, inhale up. Exhale, back. Keep the arms up this time. Just like the other side, breathe in. Exhale, warrior 3. Arms stay overhead. Right leg lifts up. Just scoot back here so you can see what's going on. Keep breathing. We'll turn this into that revolved half moon. Right hand only reaches to the mat. Left arm reaches up. Fingertips are either on the mat or a block. If you really want to challenge that balance, you can lift the fingertips off the mat. Gazing up towards the ceiling or down towards that right hand. Keep breathing. Turn it into standing splits. Both hands on the mat, but that right leg is still lifted here. Keep breathing. Maybe you can engage that glute to lift the right foot another inch higher. Exhale, fold. Same thing here. Let's grab behind the ankles. Maybe find a slight bend in the knees. Take a few breaths here. Another big breath in. Exhale it out. Release the hands to the mat. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, fold. Inhale, mountain pose. Exhale, back bend, lift the heart, cactus the arms. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, fold. Breathe in, halfway lift. Exhale, hands to the mat. Step back, flow through. Take an inhale here and exhale it out. Inhale, gaze forward. And on the exhale, step or jump to the top into your forward fold. Breathe in, halfway lift. Exhale, fold. Inhale, mountain pose, sweep the arms up. Exhale, hands to heart. From here, we'll prepare for our tree pose. Our right foot will stay on the ground here. Bring your left foot to your shin or your thigh. Avoid the knee here. You can use your hand to nestle that foot exactly where you want it. Breathe here. Once you have your balance, you're welcome to change your arms into any position. And if you want to give yourself an extra balance challenge, maybe you experiment with closing the eyes here, even for just a second. It's a little scary, isn't it? I'm not used to that. Keep breathing. Exhale it out. From here, keeping that left leg lifted, bring it in front of you, 90 degrees, into one leg mountain pose. Breathe in and out. Another inhale. And on the exhale, let's take another airplane pose. Sweep the arms back, extend that left leg behind you, breathe. And if you really like those other poses, feel free to turn this into any of those, a revolved half moon, or standing splits, or warrior 3 arms, or if you just like the airplane pose exactly as it is, feel free to stay here for 3 more breaths. One more inhale. On the exhale, come to a low lunge. Hands to the mat, bend into that right knee. Left foot lands softly. Now wiggle that right foot to the edge of the mat into a runner's lunge. Just take a moment here to catch your breath. You're welcome to drop down to the forearms or drop onto that back knee. Keep breathing here. Maybe you draw some circles with the hips. Take another breath in. On the exhale, step back into your downward facing dog. Inhale. Exhale it out. Inhale, gaze forward. On the exhale, step to the top, forward fold. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, fold. Inhale, mountain pose. Exhale, hands to heart. Let's set up tree pose for the other side. This time our right foot lifts off the mat, either on the shin or the thigh, avoiding the knee. That right knee points directly out to the side. Start with hands at heart center. But again, once you feel like you have a solid foundation, you found your balance, you're welcome to try anything different with the arms. You can even have your arms in different positions, wave them around, whatever you want to do here. It's your practice. Or you can experiment with closing your eyes like we did on the other side. Maybe you skipped it on the other side and you want to try it out. You're curious, go ahead and try it even for just a second. One more breath in and out. Come to that one leg mountain pose, releasing that right foot from the leg. Bend that knee 90 degrees in front of you. Breathe in. Exhale, airplane the arms. All right, same options as the other side. You can stay in this airplane pose, or if you prefer, you can come into that revolved half moon, standing splits, warrior three, or stay here. Whatever challenges you, whatever you're working on, hold it here for 3 more breaths. Last inhale. On the exhale, come to a low lunge. Fingers to the mat, bend into the left knee, right toes land softly. And turn this into a runner's lunge by wiggling that left foot nice and wide. Up to you if you come down to your forearms or that back knee. We'll hold it here for a few breaths. Maybe draw those little hip circles just like the other side. One more breath in. Exhale, push back into your downward facing dog. Breathe in and out. Then we'll come to a seated position with your legs out long in front of you. Inhale the arms up to the ceiling. And on the exhale, hinge at the hips. Reach for your feet, ankles, shins, whatever you can grab onto. Keeping the spine long. Pull your body closer and closer to your legs. Another breath in. And release. Scooch forward so your feet are at the top of the mat. And from here, reach your arms forward. Draw the belly button in. Hollow out the body here as we round the spine as slow as we can, using our last bit of ab strength to lower all the way down. All the way, letting the core shake until you're all the way down. Once you're there, place your feet on the mat so your knees point up towards the ceiling. Bring your right ankle onto that left knee and kick those legs up so you can interlace your fingers around the left thigh into your supine figure 4. From here, really pull those legs into the chest, flex the toes back towards the shins, and use your elbow to push that right knee away. Take a breath in and out. Do 2 more of those. Inhale, let the belly expand. Exhale it out. Last one, breathe in and out. Keep your legs as they are. Just release the hands. Now let the legs fall over to the left side. Do a supine twist. Roll your head to face the right side. Reach those shoulders out nice and wide. Come back to center. Unwrap the legs. Do the other side. Left ankle on the right knee. Kick the legs up. Wrap your hands around your thigh. Flex the toes back towards the shins. Pull those legs in. You should feel that. Then if you want to feel it even more, use that left elbow to push that left thigh away at the same time. Keep pulling those legs in. Let's take 3 deep belly breaths here. Breathe in, expand. Exhale out the mouth. Inhale. Exhale out. Last one, breathe in. Exhale. Keep the legs as they are. Just release the hands. Let the legs fall over to the right side. Supine twist. Gaze goes to the left. Reach the arms out. Breathe. Now bring it back to center. Knees to your chest. Give yourself a little hug, a little squeeze. Breathe in. And on the exhale, we'll take our Shavasana, legs out long, arms by your sides. Close your eyes, and I'll wake you when it's time. Take a breath in and out. Wiggle your fingers and your toes. Roll your head from side to side. Take a big stretch, reaching the arms overhead, pointing the toes. And then slowly make your way up to a seated position. I hope you're feeling amazing. I hope you're feeling great and like you were challenged. I'd love to know in the comments which of those balancing poses was your favorite. Take care. Again, my name is Bianca. I hope to see you again on the mat soon.